Have the time of your life while camping. Whether you choose to go camping by yourself or take the whole family, few destinations make for such amazing fun and adventure. Learn how to make the most of your time with nature in the great outdoors by watching the following tips that will guide you to the best camping trip ever. When going camping, you must make sure that you keep a list of all of the supplies that you plan to bring. You have to make sure you include everything that you will need on your trip. This is the best way to make sure that you don't forget something for your trip. When you are planning a camping adventure, make sure you pack the appropriate clothing for your trip. Check the weather forecast and bring the clothing that will be needed on your trip. If it is going to be cold, make sure you have the appropriate coats, gloves, and shoes. Remember to also pack a rain poncho no matter what the weather forecast predicts. While a campfire gives off enough light in the general area around it, you want to be sure you take along a flashlight on your camping trip if you plan to venture outside of the campfire's glow. This is a definite safety precaution you don't want to ignore. It can be quite dark out there in the woods at nighttime. A major mistake that campers make is they will get lost on occasion. Do not let this happen to you. If you are unfamiliar with the area you are camping in or if you are in a wilderness area, do not stray too far from your campsite. A portable GPS is an excellent investment if you are planning any kind of wilderness camping adventure. Learning and living with nature is one of the best ways to spend your hard-earned vacation time. Pack and prepare with everything you need to make your camping adventure a success, and be sure to keep all the tips from this video in mind to make it go more smoothly. Giveaway time. Get a free tactical pen today. Limited supply only. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Testers needed for a new survival and defense tool. Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Do you want the most discreet weapon ever invented, for free? Get yours free at epicsurvivalhacks.com. Link in the description.